More Palestinians have lost their lives seeking desperately needed food in Gaza. Witnesses and hospital officials say more than 20 people were killed by Israeli fire on Sunday near aid distribution sites in southern Gaza. Hundreds of people have been killed while seeking aid in recent months, but the Israeli military claims it only fires warning shots. Aid agencies say more than 2 million residents of Gaza are on the brink of a famine due to Israeli restrictions on aid. Meanwhile, Gaza's Hamas-run health ministry is reporting 6 more deaths due to malnutrition in the past 24 hours. This comes as the Palestinian Red Crescent Society says its headquarters in Khan Younis was hit by an Israeli strike, leaving a staff member killed.
Children speaking of wanting to go to heaven, because at least they say there is food there. We hold video calls with our own humanitarians who are starving before our eyes. And this is not just a humanitarian crisis, it's a moral crisis that challenges the global conscience. We will continue to speak out at every opportunity, but words don't feed hungry children.
Israel is presented as though we are applying a campaign of starvation in Gaza. What a bold-faced lie. There is no policy of starvation in Gaza, and there is no starvation in Gaza. We enable humanitarian aid throughout the duration of the war to enter Gaza, otherwise there would be no Gazans.
All the key supplies for the treatment of severe acute malnutrition, including medical complications, are really running out.
Today we went on a mission to pick up food supplies from Kerem Shalom. We faced several constraints, although they weren't as severe as they had been previously. One of the constraints that we faced was waiting about 2.5 hours at an Israeli forces checkpoint, which by the time we were allowed to pass, we were met on the road by tens of thousands of hungry and desperate people who directly offloaded everything from the backs of our trucks.